converting base 10 numbers into base 2 and base 4. For example, we will be before explaining this, I will take an example of a binary number which only consists of ones and zeros. In this, if we want to convert into as a base 2, we will be giving these values as 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3 and 2 power 4 from right to left, where we will only evaluate the values of corresponding ones. I mean 16 plus 8 plus 1, 25. Now we will convert a base 10 number into base 2. We will take an example, that is 24. We have to convert this number into binary number in base 2. So we have to divide 2 and here we have to write the coefficient. I mean 2 12s, then the remainder will be 0. 2 6 and the remainder will be 0. 2 3s, the remainder will be 0. And 2 1s 2 and the remainder will be 1. We got the binary number as 11000. As we are converting this number into a base 2, we will be giving these values as 0.2 power 0, 2.16 plus 8, 24. If you want to check whether this is right or wrong, we have to equate this number and this number. We got the same number, so it is right. Now converting a base 10 number into base 4. Let us take an example, 40. Now divide this with 4. 4 tens 0. 4 2s 8 and the remainder will be 0. Here coefficient and here the remainder. Here we got the base 4 number as 220. Now converting a base 10 number to base 6. For example, 60. Stanza and the 0. 6 ones and the 4. So the base 6 number will be 140. Now learning about pixels. Here the single thing is a pixel. Generally, an image is made up of redox tiny square-like pixels. These tiny squares are called pixels. An image refers to the number of pixels it contains. Each pixel is characterized with its width, its respective width and its respective height. For example, 1820 into 1580. We represent an image as this number. That is, it's the pixel's width and this is the pixel's height. So to know the total number of pixels present in a picture, we need to calculate this width into height. Here it represents the number of pixels present in that image. Simply, the number of pixels present constitute a total image. Number of pixels equal to the width into height. Range of pixels are generally in the range as number of 0 to 255 to 0. This simply characterizes and tells about the intensity of colors. This extreme end 0 represents the black and this extreme 0 represents the white. In between where lies all other colors. An image is simply characterized and constituted with many pixels with their own respective width and height. Now we will learn about RGB, which tells red, green and blue have their own intensity levels 0 to 255. For example, we represent this RGB as 0, 255 and 0. Guess it simply tells the picture displays only green color. IP address, that is Internet Protocol address. This Internet Protocol address have two functions. One, identification and two, location. Identification, identifying the network interface, And the location identifying, it helps in locating the network interface, and this location helps to locate the device in which the network presents. When you access an image in the website, the image itself stores in the server, and this server have an IP address as IPv4 or IPv6. It allows to locate it, identifying the figure in the network interface. This location function, it simply allows to locate the server. Thank you.